Good morning, everyone. We are back to Disney again. Today I'm taking Rich to California Adventure. He's right there working. Can't get a day save his life. Always working. Goodness. So this is his first time, and he's gonna have amazing. We're gonna go to Spider Ride. I made a reservation, and let's go. See, first time Adventure Campus?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
First time. Okay, here we go.
I think you will be shook. It's pretty cool. Oh, Spider-Man's there.
Where?
Right there. He say hi.
Oh my God!
Let's wait in the line and say hi to Spider-Man too.
I'm vaccinated.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. I'm not supposed to recognize anybody, but I love
Oh, I love it. Yeah. I don't have. This is all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign.
You two keep it down over there.
I am Groot.
I know. It's so inconsiderate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are Groot.
You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know what they call me. Cybernetic genetic
Raven. Rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Okay, now show me those hands, people.
Looking for this?
Not today.
You know how this ends.
Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech like vibranium from Wakanda or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Okay, everybody, open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
And I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a...
Oh my God, you.
You don't need to this side, let's see. Yeah. Look, you are ready for battle. Put your back
Utensils will be on the second.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Chicken strips. It feels kind of dry when I cut it. Super crispy. Need a little salt, this sauce here. I'm gonna try it with the bread on there. The bread is kind of dry. So trying the famous deli. There's only two menus. The regular and vegetarian.
Got it.
This thing is falling apart already.
That's the chicken.
Chicken, yeah. The most famous one. This was in the show, in the Avenger movie one time. It's very, bread is very soft, very moist. Chicken has a little spice in there, not too dry. Better than the pine fried chicken. Possible one. It feels really thick dough. I like that. The flavor-wise, the chicken is better because I like spicy. But this is good.
Especially you're vegetarian.
Yeah. I wish it was a bit more crispier though. Last time
Is
was
this one
more
crispier?
No.
Okay.
The most iconic ride at California Adventure with the yellow cart.
So this is the, hopefully, this is the, it's lemon in a cone. And so I'm gonna try it out. It almost failed, so I wouldn't do that. Okay.
It's good. It's very limited. Oh, I like the blueberry.
Very nice.
We're trying a strawberry cheese churro.
There you go.
Thank you.
Order has a place for those who would join our cause. We also have a place for those who will not. Clear enough?
Like this. Wow. Don't turn on the engine. We're gonna get burned.
Malta to guard, no, what am I saying? Malta, no, guard, guard. Malta, from guard, guard, you are guard. I am Malta, I know, Malta, guard, guard. Who are you? I have you. I wanted to get you and I have you. Okay.
Wow.
I forgot what I wanted. But do you know who you are?
So
I know
cool.
who I am. I just forgot what I wanted. Well, who are you? Guard. Good, I'm Malta. Copy that. Copy that. Malta. A lot, to be honest. I think I'm good over here. Thanks, guard. Excellent.
By right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. Chewie is flying this thing to Beauty, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be one. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe.
This is like, I think like $20. But you can go ahead and open this one so I can like start filming it. I want to show everybody, all my followers. Check this out. It's super heavy. It's a sport. It's like hard metal. Super cute. Yeah, you can only get these here at I think it's Dock Bay 7 or Dock Bay 9.
7.
Yeah, Dock Bay 7.
Very cool.